Are you ready?
यस आई एम रेडी। आज क्या सिखाओगे सर जी?
Oh, hello, beautiful people. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Being Zoologist, right? So, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep learning, guys. So, in this particular video, we will be talking about the divergent evolution. Alright, guys? So, stay focused and watch the video till the end so that you will gain the concept in a whole complete manner. Alright? So, let's begin. What is divergent evolution? The name itself indicates that divergent means splitting, right? One species will be split into the one or different types of species. Alright? But here, what happens is the ancestor remain the same. Alright? The ancestor of that splitting species is common, but they are diversifying from their common ancestor. So this phenomenon of diversification it's known as the adaptive radiation. So whenever we see adaptive radiation is taking place, we have to consider the allopatric speciation. Now what is allopatric speciation, guys? Allopatric speciation simply means whenever the speciation taking place via any kind of geographical barrier. Now, what is geographical barrier? Geographical barrier may be, mountain, river, right? It is any kind of barrier which is, you know, responsible for the species separation. And the best example for allopathic speciation is that is Darwin finches. All right. So now, as we already discussed, that the species are showing the common ancestor. So it is simple as that. Is if they are showing the common ancestor, they are closely related species, right? That's why they are showing the common ancestor. So for that, they are showing the homologous structures. Now, what is meaning by homologous structure? Homologous structure simply means the any kind of structures that are showing the same anatomy but different functions. All right. Now here is the twist in the story. So here they are showing homologous structures, right? They are showing the similar anatomy. Then think about it. Why they are showing same anatomy? Because they are originated from the common ancestor. So obviously they are showing some similarities with their common ancestor, right? And with themselves also. So just because of that, they are showing the same anatomy. But just because of different kind of selective pressure, they adapted in a such a way that they performing a different kinds of function. So this thing is considered to be the homologous structures. I hope the homologous structure is clear to you. So let's focus on the Darwin finches. Here is the diagram for you. It is the diagram of Darwin finches, of course. So this is something about the Darwin finches. Darwin finches, or they are also called as Galapagos finches, are a group of about 15 species. Okay, these are the group of 15 species which are also called as these passerine birds. All right, they are well known for their remarkable diversity. Have you seen any diversity, guys? They are originated from the single ancestor. Then also there are completely different from each other in the form of their beak and the function of that particular beak. Then why it is happening like that? Because they are adapted themselves in a particular kind of food source which is helpful for them to survive, right? Because all of them are, you know, just because of fragmentation of land, they are separated from each other, and as because of the separation, they are trying to adapt themselves into that different kinds of habitats for their survival, right? And that's why they are continuously struggling for their adaptation, and as the result of that they changes their food source according to their environment, and as the result of that the big size of all of them varies, right? And this specific character, that is the big size, is inherited generation after generation, and as the result of that we see the complete difference in those different kinds of species, although they are originated from the common ancestor. So I hope you gain the concept related to divergent evolution. And if any kind of doubt is there in your mind, you are free to ask it any time.
वाह, हमको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया सर जी, थैंक यू सो मच। बट ये एग्ज़ाम तक याद रहेगा या नहीं पता नहीं, थोड़ा समरी फॉर्म में बता दीजिए ना, याद कैसे रखे, प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, समरी समरी समरी।
All right. Now we will see about the summary. So basic funda hai yaar. See this. Divergent. Divergent evolution. D for divergent. Example में याद रखेंगे. D for Darwin Finches. D for divergent. D for Darwin Finches. याद हो गया? और बस you have to remember this diagram. Here, ancestor is common but showing different character. Ancestor is common, showing different characters, right? So this thing is called as homologous structures. Homologous structures means what? Same anatomy but different function. Same anatomy. Why same anatomy? Because they are originated from the common ancestor, and different function because they need to adapt themselves due from for different kinds of selective pressure. That's it. आराम से याद रहेगा, don't worry. So stay motivated, stay focused, keep learning, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you and bye bye. Take care.